Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will go over how to grow Instagram followers fast in 2024. So, growing followers on Instagram involves strategic approaches due to the platform's evolving algorithm and also because there are a lot of people on Instagram doing and saying the same things. So, you have to set yourself apart from everybody else. But before you can set yourself apart, you need to set yourself up, and that is what today's video is about. So the first thing that you need to do is optimize your profile. Make sure your profile is complete and compelling. Use a recognizable profile picture, a clear bio, and any links to your websites. If you're trying to brand yourself, the best thing for you to do is keep your name the same on all your social media platforms. I know it's a lot of us on social media, so it's hard to keep the same name, but try to keep the same name. Try to keep your profile pictures the same if you can across all your social media. If you're trying to brand yourself, make sure you completely set up your profile. Make sure you just have a clear bio if you're trying to brand yourself. For number 2, content strategy. Off subject just a little bit. Now, I call Instagram bougie because when you go on Instagram, you see all the high quality pictures, vids, all type of things. So when I think of Instagram, I say, oh, this is the bougie app. But anyways, guys, like I said, content strategy. Try your best to create high quality, visual appealing content. Stick to consistent themes if you can, to resonate with your audience. Now, we know when we go on Instagram, it's a little bougie over there. You see all the latest fashions, the colors are popping, makeup, nails. It's a party over there on Instagram. So try your best to keep your content in the flow of everything else. Not saying be like someone else, but if you can, try to keep your content popping because Instagram is a little bougie, guys. I'm sorry. But I love y'all, Instagram. So for number 3, use Reels and Stories. Try your best to use Instagram latest features as much as you can. You have your Reels and your Stories, and those actually often get more visibility, which means what? A wider audience reach. Yes, it's quicker for someone to click a story or see a reel and say, oh, okay, I like what I see. Give them more. Give them more. If you notice a lot of people are watching your reels and your stories, give them more. Keep posting, keep posting, keep posting. That's how you get to a wider audience, and that's how you gain more followers. Number 4, engage with your audience. Make sure you respond to comments, DMs, and engage with other accounts in your niche. Building a relationship with people in your niche can also attract more followers. Let's just say someone has more followers than you, and then y'all interact with each other. So then that makes the people that's under this person come check you out. If y'all are in the same niche, the same things are going on, and then that person vouch for you. Hey, you never know. Just make sure you engage. Now, I know I said DMs because they're going to be guys and girls in DMs, but not all DMs are good DMs. Number 5, use hashtags and keywords. Use relevant hashtags and keywords in your posts and stories. You also can research trending or niche-specific tags for better discoverability. Now, so let's just say that you post you and your friends going out to a restaurant. You will hashtag the restaurant, hashtag food, or whatever it is. Let's just say you using a new makeup. Hashtag that company. Oh, and also while I'm saying hashtag, you can also add that company. If you're looking for brands to let you sponsor them or be in partner with them, tag them, at Mac. At whatever company, keep adding them. That will help you get discovered as well. So number 6, collaborate and cross promote. I know I spoke on collabs a little bit earlier, but now we're going to talk about it a little bit deeper. So if you can, it's always a good idea to collaborate with influencers or accounts in your niche. Cross promotion exposes your profile to a new audience. Like I said earlier, if someone has a lot of followers, and let's be genuine when we're asking other people to collab. Let's be genuine about it. Let's not get our followers up and then we just not talk to the person anymore. We don't want to do that. We want to build relationships, friendships. So once you collab with someone, let it be in a good area, good space that you're doing it in, and then you can grow further. Because let's just say you collab with someone and then you get what you want and then you stop talking to them. If they're higher in the niche and higher in that area, that's going to get around and no one's going to want to work with you. So let's make sure that when you're asking someone to collab with you, that it's genuinely done. Not saying that everyone has to collab with you or you have to collab with anyone, but just in case you do collab, make sure it's genuine. Number 7, consistent posting schedule. If you can, stick to a regular posting schedule. Consistency keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more content. Now, I'm not saying you have to post the same time every day. Just try your best to post every day. Because like we said in the beginning, the algorithm is a big pool, it's full of content, and it's trying to get that content out whichever way it can. But you want to make sure your content gets to your audience every day and new people. And the way to do that is to constantly and consistently post. If you post on your story every day, that is a beginning. If you post reels, if whatever you post, just make sure you post every single day. Number 8, if you can, utilize IGTV and live features. I know a lot of people do not like to go live. I know some people feel funny speaking into a camera, but if you're not comfortable with that, you can also just record your long content and then post. If you feel comfortable going live, then go live. You know how you feel when your favorite person goes live. You click on that thing so quick and you watch their live, you interact, you read comments. Like, it's a good time. And people feel like it's more of a personal level when you're live. They feel like y'all homeboy, homegirl, you at home chilling, they at home chilling, y'all on FaceTime. It's a different vibe. That's what it gives off to me, in my opinion. Number 9. Now, I think number 9 is a big dog. Now, you can run contests and giveaways, but I'm not saying as soon as you get on Instagram, you're a newbie, do giveaways, because you're going to get a lot of people who are not really there for you. They're going to subscribe and follow and all that in the beginning, and then they're going to drop off. So wait till you get a little bigger. Wait till you get your real audience, your real followers who come back and watch all your stories, all your lives, like all your posts. Wait till you get that type of audience. Then you can run giveaways and contests. Now, if you're a business and you're trying to promote your business, then go ahead and run those contests and those giveaways. That will really help you boost and get your page out more. And more people will, find you that way. Number 10, analytics. Now, this is the step that I would use once I've been posting for a while, just to see the outcome. So you can monitor your analytics through Instagram Insights. Learn from the data to understand what content performs best and adjust your strategies accordingly. So basically, let's just say you've been posting stories every day around the same time. Look and see if that time is great. Look and see when your audience is looking at your stories. Or let's just say you post a picture. You get a lot of likes on this picture, but this one is different, not so many. See what works best. See what your audience likes. If they like when you do outfit check of the day better, or if they like when you show what you're eating that day, it just depends. Your audience is your guide to what you need to post. Your audience will definitely, when I say definitely, they will definitely let you know what they like to see from you. So number 11 can get pricey, but if you would like, you can explore ads and promotion. You can always promote your post by just clicking the button, and then it'll ask you where you want to promote, specific audience, and just different targeted ads that you can put out to grow your audience. Now, it can get pricey, but you can start off with $5, $10, just to see how the first promotion works. And if everything looks great, then you can keep going. That will draw in more people a wider audience, and you can also niche it down so people that are in your niche will be the first people to see it. So just remember, growing followers on Instagram takes time and dedication. Remember to always be authentic, be yourself, and your followers will come. It doesn't happen overnight, but it can happen quickly. You never know. You may make a post, and it goes viral with Instagram Reels. Your post goes viral, and then boom, you're in there. But all you have to do is be consistent and keep posting, keep posting, keep posting. Don't forget to engage with your audience. It's very important to engage with your audience to keep them coming back. The secret to obtaining and sustaining your audience is to engage with them. Make them feel like it's on a personal level. That'll always make them come back. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down below, and we will talk later. Your girl Sin is out.